Hey everybody, Chase here with Sano. I've got a major problem and I'm hoping that y'all can jump in and offer some suggestions, advice, experience, or just get involved and help out any way you can. So Google shut down our Google My Business profile 2 weeks ago. They've actually suspended me 3 times in the last 2 weeks while already being suspended. I'm not even sure how that works. So I think it's some sort of weird glitchy thing in their algorithm. Recourse for this, I guess, can apparently be a pretty lengthy process. I've hired some Google product experts to help me out with it, trying to get my account back up. In the meantime, our 420 plus 5-star reviews are gone. My map listing is gone. I'm invisible on Google. So customers can no longer find Sano on Google. So we're kind of dead in the water. That's just how people shop for things now, is they go to Google and they look for carpet cleaning or mold remediation. So kind of at a loss as to how to get around this. So if any of you out there have experienced this and figured out a workaround, I'd love to hear about it. If you wouldn't mind getting involved and maybe sharing our Facebook page with your friends and relatives, or subscribing to our YouTube channel. Try and help us get some visibility in other platforms, I guess, since Google's got us shut down. I guess this is a big thing with Google right now. They've been flagging service businesses as part of their anti-fraud measures or something. Anything y'all can do, any suggestions you have, we'd love to hear about it. Thanks in advance for any assistance you're able to provide. Really appreciate it. Thanks.